How to properly trade trend lines using multiple time frames. If you're losing money with trend lines, it's not because trend lines don't work. It's because you're using them the wrong way. Most beginner traders draw random lines on random time frames, then blame the market when the trade fails. Today, I'm going to show you the professional way to trade trend lines using multiple time frame confirmation, so you stop guessing and start trading with structure. The real problem. Here's what struggling traders do. They open a 5-minute chart, they draw a line, they wait for price to touch it, and they enter. No higher time frame bias, no confirmation, no structure. And then they say, trend lines don't work. The truth? Trend lines only work in trending markets, and only when aligned with higher time frame direction. Let me simplify this. Trend line trading is not a guessing strategy. It is a continuation strategy. You trade with the dominant trend, not against it, and the dominant trend is never determined on a 5-minute chart. Professionals start with structure. Step 1. Identify the primary trend. Go to the daily chart, not 1 minute, not 15-minute, daily. Ask one simple question. Are we making higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows? If yes, you have a trend. If not, you are in a range, and trend lines do not belong in range markets. If the market is ranging, stand aside. This alone will save most beginners money. Step 2. Define directional bias. If the daily trend is bullish, you only look for bullish breakouts. If the daily trend is bearish, you only look for bearish breakdowns. You do not trade counter-trend breaks. That's where beginners get trapped. Step 3. Drop to the 4-hour chart. Now move to the 4-hour time frame. You are not looking for a new trend. You are looking for a correction. Let the market pull back against the main daily direction. That pullback is where your opportunity lives. Step 4. Draw the trend line on the correction. In a bullish daily trend, connect the lower highs of the correction. In a bearish daily trend, connect the higher lows of the correction. This line represents temporary counter-momentum. Now you wait. No guessing, no early entries, no forcing trades. Step 5. Wait for confirmed break. This is where patience separates amateurs from professionals. You do not enter because price touches the line. You wait for 3 things. Number 1, a clear break of the trend line. Number 2, a break of recent structure in your direction. Number 3, preferably strong rejection or a double bottom pattern. If the daily is bullish, you want pullback, structure formation, trend line break upward, then break of the swing high. That is confirmation. Anything less is low probability. When not to trade trend lines. Do not trade in ranging markets against the daily trend, before structure breaks, without confirmation, or because you are impatient. Trend lines require discipline. If you cannot wait, do not use this strategy. Why most traders lose with trend lines? They trade lower time frame noise. They ignore higher time frame bias. They enter before confirmation. They trade inside consolidation. They force trades out of boredom. Trend lines are simple, but simplicity requires discipline. Professional mindset shift. Professionals don't trade every break. They trade confirmed continuation. They understand one rule: the market must prove itself first. If price has not broken structure, there is no trade. Patience is part of the edge. Execution checklist. Before entering, ask yourself, is the daily trending? Am I trading with that direction? Is this a correction on the 4-hour chart? Has the correction trend line broken? Has structure broken in my favor? If all 5 answers are yes, now you have a structured trade. Now you have probability. Now you are thinking like a professional. Trend lines don't fail. Undisciplined traders fail. When you apply higher time frame bias, lower time frame correction, and confirmed breakout, you eliminate random entries, you eliminate emotional trades, and you trade with structure. If you want more structured entry systems like this, watch the playlist High Probability Entry Tactics Every Beginner Must Know. That series will help you stop guessing and start executing with clarity. This is Online Trading Hub, where beginner and struggling traders build structure, discipline, and professional confidence. I'll see you in the next lesson.